Former IEBC chairperson Wafula Chebukati had been battling brain cancer since April 2023. Family spokesperson Eric Nyongesa Wafula has revealed. Now speaking in Nairobi, Nyongesa disclosed that Chebukati underwent 2 successful surgeries in Germany in 2023 and 2024. However, the tumor recurred, and at the time of his passing, the family was deliberating on a 3rd surgery. Our reporter Wanjiku Wanjiru has the details.
This is the firstborn daughter, Rachel Chebukati.
According to family spokesman Eric Nyongesa, Wafula Chebukati was diagnosed with brain cancer 3 months after leaving office. Nyongesa stated that Chebukati was first diagnosed in April 2023 and underwent a successful surgery in Germany before returning to Kenya in July of the same year. In April 2024, doctors confirmed a recurrence of the tumor, prompting a 2nd surgery in Germany.
Because of the stage in which the cancer was, the doctors recommended that he needed to undergo an immediate surgery.
By December 2024, the tumor had returned once again. Nyongesa noted that at the time of Chebukati's passing, the family was weighing the possibility of a 3rd surgery after doctors discovered he was also experiencing chest complications.
He was in the ICU from the 15th to the 20th of February, when the family received a call after midnight indicating that the late Wafula Chebukati had suffered a cardiac arrest, and he passed on at 11:35.
Nyongesa further stated that an autopsy will be conducted on Tuesday or Wednesday this week. Chebukati will be laid to rest in Sabata village, Kitale, Trans Nzoia County on 8th of